consequences are the same. If we lose against Fairfield, we're done, right? So let's make sure we're focused. We're focused about what we're doing, passers, platform early, all the stuff we talk about right now. Let's get a bunch of quality reps for the next half hour and get nice and comfortable in here, okay?
Good all game.
Tomorrow night is a huge crowd, and I think we embrace that. That's what we've done as a program before. So it's, I think the pressure is on them, and I think we just kind of thrive on it and play big time volleyball. And what we need to do is get you guys rested, to make sure you're hydrated, get some downtime, okay? Get your mind straight to be able to compete at the highest level tomorrow, and understanding what we're going to present to you as a game plan when we get to that point. So we'll still get some more stuff organized, but let's get back to the hotel, let's get relaxed, and about 26 hours away, right?